Xavier,
Yes.
you ready to work on your next project?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. It is a front lip spoiler that we have right here laid out. What we're gonna do is use some double-sided tape right here on the inside, as well as a few screws to secure it to the underside of the bumper. Now something else you guys may notice if you have been on the channel before is now we have this yellow logo here and this also in here, which I just used some vinyl to do, and also same goes for the sides. I got some black badges and colored in the inside of these spec with some yellow acrylic paint, as well as the back. As well as the back here. It's really giving me nostalgic Batman vibes. But back to the task at hand. So, this front lip spoiler I got on eBay. You can find it on Amazon also, anywhere. They're pretty cheap. I'll put the link in the description below. But they're fairly universal when it comes to putting them on the Acura Integra. A bunch of different companies make them, but they're basically all the same. There's no real way to secure them to the bumper because the screws that they provide, I'll show right here, they're not very long and they don't seem very sturdy. So I bought another big pack on Amazon of a bunch of different size screws. All right, now these are the screws that I bought on Amazon. As you can see, they vary in length and the threads are very fine and thick also, so that way they can support the spoiler. And the last thing we got is this double-sided tape. So we have tape, screws, drill, and the spoiler. So it comes in 3 pieces underneath here. So it does require some screws that go through to secure it. I'm just going to try to really be careful to make sure I don't torque it down too much, but also put some double-sided tape here to help adhere it together. And then have the rest of the tape on the inside of this lip, because this is where it connects here. And just like that, we're all done. This one was simple, but as you can see, it adds so much presence. Right? Don't you think?
Yeah.
Like the way it's coming together so far?
Yes.
Now I want to put a before and after picture of the front of the car versus now. If you like the content that we're doing here for Xavier's car, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this new front lip spoiler.
Bye.